Evening, we are going to Lisbon.
No.
Now I understand. Yeah, we regularly have programs here.
Which day?
Sometimes Tuesday, sometimes Wednesday. Depends on the momentary because she don't always have the same schedule on work.
This is for theater, not for play. Maybe on no money thing this is played for. So, midday program also, no?
Yeah. Because of Chiragahi Mahotsav, so we will offer yogurt, poha.
Okay, Krishna hoite Shatruha, Krishna Sevamuka, Brahma hoite Narade Amati, Narada hoite Rasa, Nanda Payan Vyasa Dasa, Purna Prakaram Palvana Bhagavati, Nirori Madhavansi, Shaurya Madhavansi, Shishabari Ambikarakare, Akshavya Shisha Jaya, Yetanyam Yatari Chaya, Taratase Jana Sindhutari, Tahoy Jaya Niti, Taragatra Vidyaniti, Rajendra Hoyo Tahoyke, Samada Kimpara Jaya, Janonyam Yatari Jaya, Parampara Charanvalomate, Jaya Dharmadase Gati, Shipurusha Samadati,
ईश्वर पुरी चैतन्य गौरी देव सुचैतन्य
question and answer, then we take breakfast, then Kirtan Harikatha. What time? 11. Who is arranging breakfast?
Manjari.
9:30.
She's making a chiro.
No, Manjari is prepared. She's prepared.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. We have questions. Open the door. Yeah. कोई है क्वेश्चन नहीं। अरे आप कहाँ जा रहे हो?
नहीं एकादशी का व्रत था कल, तो पानी जब थोड़ा पारायण कर
हाँ हरी बोल।
Gurudev, how are we to understand that the Lakshmi Devi, she doesn't attain the Rasdans, but
Rasdan.
she doesn't attain because she doesn't want to make cow patties and she doesn't want to
अरे make chapati.
cow patties. But how come she's still there actually performing? She's still there performing.
No, second, Lakshmi Devi, her Abhiman is ego. I am Brahmani and I am the queen of Vaikuntha, consort of Lord Narayan. For this regard, she is not allowed to enter in the last dance of Krishna. If you enter in the last dance of Krishna and the gopis, some rules are there. Then, if you take the admission in university, some rules and regulations there will be there. This qualification need, and this certificate need. In the same way, if you enter in the last dance, Krishna and gopis, some rules and regulations there. First rules and regulation, you have to take birth in Braj. Then automatically your Braj Abhiman will come. I am the residence of Braj. So Lakshmi Devi, she has not this type of qualification. Krishna told, if you enter in my residence, first you have to take birth in Braj. And then second, you have to also take birth in the womb of one gopi. Then second, you have to marry with one gopa. Lakshmi Devi says it is impossible for her. She wants to take birth in Braj, okay, no problem. But she does not want to marry with any gopa. Because she thinking I am chaste lady. Her Abhiman also this, I am chaste lady. So how possible I will marry with another gopa? And caste system is there. She does not like this. Then Krishna also, not only this also, also associate with my eternal associates, Nitya Parikar, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha. Without associates, without meeting with the associates of Nitya Siddhas Parikar, Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, the Brajabhav will not manifest in your heart also. Some rules is there. Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, Rupanjali, they are called the eternal associates of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. Lakshmi Devi, she does not like this also. Lakshmi Devi, she is very stubborn with her own word. Lakshmi chahe, Lakshmi dehe rase praveshite. Lakshmi Devi, she wants to enter in the residence with the form of Lakshmi. But not possible. So Krishna also told these rules is there. We follow these rules. But she does not want to follow any rules. And have to learn how to fatting the chapati, not fatting the cow dung. Also have to learn how to make chapati also. Brajavasis, they have to make the chapati, tandoori, what do you call? Understand this? So this is the process also. And you also, then Krishna told, not only this, marry with one gopa, also in paramar mood, parakya bhav, to also meet with me. And Lakshmi Devi paramour mood she does not like. So Krishna reject.
Why is she still there performing these austerities if she's never going to be able to attain?
Austerities are these things, but we have. She wants,
Still wants.
but not possible. If you want to take admission in university, good, but we have to take the qualification. Not only want, just I want, you cannot get. If I want these things, but if you want, need qualification to acquire this knowledge, this certificate, this certificate. This is the process. Lakshmi Devi does not want. So she is performing hard austerity. But Krishna is very merciful. Krishna also accept Lakshmi Devi in his chest, in the line of golden line, Sarnarekha. But there is, she cannot dance with Krishna. She cannot do anything, just golden line in the chest of Krishna. Mahadev, Shivji, he also wants to enter Ras dance. Separate took Purnamasi Yogmaya. Then Yogmaya arranged. Yogmaya took Lakshmi, Shivji, and down in the water of Brahma Kunda. Then Mahadev, he got the form of Gopi form. The Gopi, what is it called? Gopishwar. Later he called Gopishwar, but the Gopi form he got. Then Yogmaya said, okay, you sit in this corner and north and east corner. That is called Ishan corner. North and east. So, staying in there. Then Krishna played the flute, all the gopis arrived. Then Krishna told the gopis, today my mood is not good. I don't want to perform the Ras dance. What is your problem? Well, is someone here unqualified? Then all gopis are looking, who is unqualified? Same gopis are here. Every day same gopis are coming or not? Not new coming. All your new coming are looking, that 10 years from Holland. Change country, some little coming also, new. This is Dwara. But in the Braj, all the same gopis are. So all gopis are looking to each other. I am same we are. So who is unqualified, who is not qualified? Then Krishna told, okay, search here in this place. Then gopis, they are, all the gopis, they are looking, searching. They are coming in there, the corner, east and north. And they go, one lady, she was sitting, very nice, beautiful. Then gopis catch to her, hey, what is your name? Not name coming. Purnamasi Devi did not give her name. And you born in which village? He did not give answer. It's the process. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Vishabhanupuri Janama, I have to take birth in Barsana Vishabhanupuri. But they go, where have you come from? Which village have you come from? I said, did not give answer. Tell to me your mother, father, and your husband name. You married or unmarried? Understand? Yeah. She did not give answer. Who is your husband? She did not give answer. Then Gopi recognize, oh, this Krishna told, this is true. This is unqualified Gopi. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jayavardhana explained, if you do bhajan and sadhan, also is a high level, a high stage also. Need 11th mood and 5 stages, Panchadasa. Ekadash Bhav and Panchadasa. Naam, Roop, your name, your form, Naam, Roop, Gun, quality, everything. Then also 5 stages you have to come. This is the main certificate, origin certificate. Understand? Shravan dasa, Smaran dasa, Bhavan dasa, or Shravan dasa, Smaran dasa, Bhavan dasa. Then another Prem Sampatti dasa. This is 5 stages. You read this book, Jewels of the Heart, everything is there. Or you can read more details also. Read Javadharma Gandha. Javadharma Gandha just mentioned. Good. And Jewels of the Heart, more and elaborately explained. So this is the process also. Then Gopi, they caught her and bitterly beat. Then she was crying and crying. Then Purnamasi Devi came. Purnamasi Devi told, oh, she is not Gopi, she is Mahadev. Then Purnamasi Devi explained everything. Then Krishna told, hey Mahadev, without take birth in Braj, you cannot enter in the Ras dance. So now we are giving the permission to you. You sit outside of Ras dance, Rasastali. Then Mahadev is saying, and also gave his name, Gopishwar Mahadev ki jai. And so Krishna told, if anybody enters Ras dance, they have to take permission from you. So now Mahadev, Gopishwar Mahadev is there. If you want to enter Ras dance, you have to fast. Go to Mahadev, Vrindavana, Banipate, so Jai Soma Samamuli, Sanaka Sananda Sanatanam, Naradidda, Gopishwaram, Braja Vilasini, Jivamri, Prema Prajachati, Nirupadhi, Namo Namos. This sloka we have to learn also. Pray to the spirit of Gopishwar Mahadev. This is the process also. So now Shivji is called gatekeeper of Rasa dance. Shivji cannot enter in the Rasa dance. Gatekeeper where is staying? Outside of the building, not inside the building. In the same way, Shivji. So for this God, Prabhupada says, Jo Brahma Sukhanad Visma Lakshya Ralakitana Sapurusattasya Saddobhasakana Churna Ananta Satyam Tang Radhika Chanarenu Anushmarami. Understand? Jo Brahma Sukhanad Visma Lakshya Ralakitana Sapurusattasya Saddobhasakana Churna Ananta Satyam Tang Radhika Chanarenu Anushmarami. Brahma ji, 4-headed Brahma, and also Shivji, 5-headed. They are not allowed to enter in Ras dance. So this type katha is there. Lakshmi Devi is not possible. So Ras Leela is not ordinary things. This is the process. So I am saying also something this way. If you want to go Vaikuntha, only one birth. Just to give up this body, chant holiness, then go to Vaikuntha. But if you want to go Golok Vrindavan, need how many births? Have 3 births. This is the process of. Otherwise, it's not possible. Gaur Premanand. Or another? Left only 10 minutes. Time is very short. Time is very important. Otherwise, you are hungry, you will become angry. Then tomorrow will not come. Who has question? You have question or no?
We have a book.
We
have a notebook full of questions.
Okay. Question and answer book. Ah, good.
¿Te acuerdas de la cosa de tener las ganas de tener la fe? Entonces, ¿qué es lo que viene primero?
Pregúntale tú. Creo yo poder interpretarlo desde tu
Ah, what is your question? तत्तेनु कंपांग सुसमीक्षमानो भुंजानो एवात्म कृत विपाकम हिदबाको बपुर्वी विधन्न नमस् जीवेद स मुक्ति पदे स दायभाग.
How to go this how to go undergoes these reactions of our past and pious activities, because you said last week to be very humble and don't criticize, and how to be humble if for a devotee company when so many tests are coming and you see that there are so many things happening, lying and struggling. How to be humble
If you give respect to others, then automatically your humbleness will come. This is the way. First, always saying this way. Bhakti is 3 stages. One is called Arop Siddha Bhakti. Another is called Sangha Siddha Bhakti. Third, that is called Sarupa Siddha Bhakti. Arop means that impose. In the beginning, sadhak will not come in the stage of arop, imposing, not coming. Automatic conditional soul, there is so much false ego comes. Coming on now. For the Lord Chaitanya, Trinadapi Sunit. Even the grass has also own egos. I am grass. And if you step on the top of the grass also will be saying, hey, why did you step on my head? And also pinching on your soul. Giving or not? Because he's thinking, I am grass. Dehatma buddhi. That means, conditional soul means many kinds of Dehatma buddhi. Dehatma buddhi, understand? What is that? Bodily conception will come. So when you have bodily conception, so how will you become humble? So for this, God is saying you impose. Arup. This is not arup, which is the arup, that is not the real. You arup with this. So for this, God Shastra is saying arup siddha bhakti. Neophyte devotee, they have to practice first, that is called arup siddha bhakti. Understand? Or then coming in the upper level with the association with sadhu, then listen Hari Katha, and then so all the good qualification will come. That is called Sadgun will come. What will come? Sadgun. Good quality will come. Daina, Daya, Anyaman, Pradishta, Vajjan. Automatically. 26 types of good qualities manifest in his heart. But not at a time, step by step. This is the process. Kripalu, Akridadhar, Sapta Samsar, Badanno, Kovi, Daksha, Mauni, Chaitamata. This is the thing. Automatically, with the association of sadhu sangha, the good qualification will come. That is called Sangha Siddha. Sanskrit word, Sangena Siddha Jayate Sangha Siddha. The association of sadhus, good qualification will come. Then, with the association of sadhu sangha, then bhakti devi will manifest in your heart. Then slowly all the unearthers, unwanted things remove from your heart. Eh? Not, and all the unearths not removed from your heart at once. 5 stages will go. How many stages? Who knows the 5 stages? हाँ, एक देश वर्तिनी, बहु देश वर्तिनी, प्रायिकी, पूर्णा and आत्यंतिकी. Step by step going. As the stage of Shraddha, there may be 1% or 2% going. Then Sadhu Sangha, listen Hari Katha, Anartha Nivritti going. And Nishtha or Ruchi, Bahu Desha Vartini, most part of the Anartha removed from your heart. Maybe more than 50 or 60% Anartha is removed from your heart. So this is called Bahu Desha Vartini. Praiki means almost. When sadhak will come in the stage of Ruchi and Asakti Dasa, that time almost all his anarthas are removed. This is the process. Maybe how many? 95% anarthas gone. Ruchi Mula Bhakti. Ruchi and Asakti. Very powerful. Then when sadhak will come in the stage of Bhava Dasa, then get called Purna. Purna means complete. All your anarthas gone. Nothing. But here we are saying some smell of anartha inside there. Gandha. Smell of anarthas. But what is that? All anarthas may be removed from your heart, but Vaishnava aparad, anartha is not so easy to remove. Committed rudra spirit of Vaishnava aparad. Vaishnava aparad has gone, this is true. But the smell of Vaishnava, not so good. They give an example. If you put the campfire, one box, just couple minutes, put the box, campfire. Then again, take out the campfire. The inside the smell or not? In the same way, you have no Vaishnava aparad, but some offense of Vaishnava aparad there. Smell of Vaishnava aparad. So that is called Purna. Bhavdasa Purna. Complete. Atantiki, absolutely. When sadhak will come in the stage of Prema Dasa, then again your anartha will not return back. So in this stage, there are different stages also. How to anartha removed from your heart. Vishwanath Chakravarti के बाद माधुर्य कादम्बिनी ग्रंथ explaining this stage. Then you realize these things. Understand? Now you think so many also grains on your throat. You understand now? And you know the chicken, roaster. They eating and they keeping their throat. You can also or the pigeon also same. They collect and keeping their throat. And when you touch that, that means this example I am giving. So many unearths, unread things. Not stacking, you are keeping. Not digesting. Not swallowing. You cannot swallow. Keeping. Unearth is there. Especially was name, fame, reputation, love, puja, pradishta. All unearths may be removed from your heart. But the name, fame, reputation, that is Sanskrit word, that is called Naam, Lab Puja Pradishta. Lab Puja Pradishta. No say. Pradishta sa dhrishta sapacha ramani me hidi natet katham sadhu premna suchirva nanu manaha. Manasicha. You learn this sloka. You learn or not? Toruni Gopi, little bit. You learn Manasik. Upadesamritam, Sikshastak and Manasik. Every learn. Upadesamritam sloka. Vacho vegam manasa krodha vegam jiha vegam udrupastha vegam etan vegan yu vishate dira sarvam pimam prathiving. And learn then also Sikshastak. Every day. Cheto dharpanam ajanam bhavamaha davagnirvapanam Sreya Kairva Chandrika Vitaranam Vidya Budhu Jivanam Anandam Mudhi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Sadhanam और सर्व आत्म स्नपनं परम विजयते श्री कृष्ण नाम संकीर्तन. Actually, how many stages in Nam Sankirtan? This verse, do you know or not? 7, Saptajiya. And how many? 7 in this verse. Which one? Cheto Darpana Marjanam. First, Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Bhava Maha Dabag Nirvapanam. Sriya Kairva Chandrika Vitaranam. Vidya Budhu Jivanam. Anand Mudhi Vardhanam. Pratipadam. Pratipadam. Then Sarva Atma Snapana. So how many? 7. Saptajiya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they comment. Understand? The first sloka is this. Actually, in this first sloka of Sikshastak, actually all the verses in there also. You understand? Others 7 verses inside the first verse. You understand? Gagar mein sagar. One verse is everything is there. Cheto darpana marjanam. Bhava maha davagni nirvapanam. Sreya kairva chandrika vitaranam. Vidya budhu jivanam. Anandam mudhi vardhanam. And what? Pratipadam. Purnamitas. Pratipadam. Purnamitas sadhanam. And or sarvatma snapanam. Sarvatma. Nam saying all glories to holy names. They have all the glories of the holy names in the 7 stages part going this. Sarva Atma Snapanam. Completely was submerged in the ocean of divine love. As Srimati Radhika. And then other 7 slokas. Understand? Then more elaborately explain. And I will chant holy names. So saying this way. Nam namakari bahuda nija sarva shakti strarbita nimita smaranana kala etadrishi tava kripa bhagwan mayopi durdaiva yadisha ajano nanuraga. You get coming this way. Lord invested all his potency in his holy names. Nam namakari. There are no different holy names and Sri Hari. Bahudha Nija Sarva Shakti. Lord invested all his Shakti, potency in his holy name. Because only holy names purify your heart. Understand this? Ram Nam ke sabun se dhoi. What do you say? Ram Nam ke sabun se dhoi and Ram Nam ke darpan se dekh. Ram Nam rupi? What do you say? Dhoi. What do you say? Ram Nam ki sabun. Here they saying this way and one thing. Ram Nam is as like sabun, soap. राम नाम के साबुन से धोए. How to clean your heart? The name of holy name. Holy names is as like soap of Ram. राम नाम के साबुन से धोए. Understand? You can to clean your body with the soap. That's saying na. What is saying? मैल लागे तन से धोए जल से और मैल लागे मन से धोए कैसे. Learn the version. मैल लागे तन से. If the some what is called dust on your body, then you can clean with the water. Clean. Understand it? But in your heart, your mind contaminated with lust, anger, enviousness, and other things, how will clean? How will clean? You cannot clean your heart with the water. How clean your heart? So for this guy saying this way, राम नाम के साबुन से धोए. And your heart will be clean with the soap of Ram, Ram Nam. Then your heart will be. Then again you chant holy name. Ram Nam के दर्पण से देख. Again you chant holy name. Then you can see your own reflection. This is the process. So राम नाम के साबुन से धोए और राम नाम के दर्पण से अपने को देख. This is the process of. Understand or not? What did he say? Speak in English.
राम नाम के साबुन से धोए. You wash with the soap.
You wash your heart, not the body.
You wash your heart with the holy names of the Lord. And राम नाम के
दर्पण से अपने को देख. फिर again you chant holy names. Ram Nam, your heart is as like a mirror. Then you can see your own reflection. This is the process. So this is the second verse. What is saying? नम नमकारी बहुदा निज सर्व शक्ति स्त्रार्पित निमित स्मरण न काल एतादृशी तब कृपा भगवान में दुर्दैव दिश अजन अनुराग. Mahaprabhu very humble is saying, I have no taste to chanting holy names. Though Lord invested all his potential in his holy names. Hari se bada Hari ka naam. Holy names is higher than Shiva. Our Lord is very merciful. Lord manifests in many forms, many incarnations. Hari naam tuva aneka sarupa. Yashodanandana Ananda Vardhana Nanda Kaopa Hari Nam Tuva Aneka Sarupa. Lord is how he is merciful and wonderful. He manifests many forms. Why? Because Lord is thinking different devotees, they are different tastes. Rasaji they are. Everybody tastes not same. Understand? Some they want dasaras, some they want what is called? No, first Santaras, Santa Dasa Sakka Vatsana Madhu. So for their Lord also manifested different forms. Okay. Chant Narayan, okay, go Vaikuntha. Then if you chant Narayan name, Narayan, then we'll go, here we'll go. Vaikuntha, the Sankha Chakra Gada Padmadhari. So Lord manifested in the form of Narayan or Vishnu. And Vaikuntha Dham is there. Garuda Visaksen is there. And Vaikuntha Dham is called the prominent Santaras. Or secondary Dasaras. And these are the. And so far they are okay. 400, Chaturbhuj, Sankachakra Gada Padmadhari, and 400 is there. Lord. And they are also Parikar, also associated with difference. Huh? Who is the Parikar of Lord Narayan? Garuda, Visaksen. They are very far, not coming very close. Understand? They know Lord is not hungry, no thirsty. He is called Atmaram and Aptakam, self-satisfied and fulfill all his desires. When he has need, he asks. For this guy, Garuda just 5 meters from Lord Vishnu. Garuda, where is staying? Very far from Lord, not close to, and fold his hand. You have seen it? So, Vaikuntha Dham, actually that is called Santa Pradhan Dasa. What do you say? Santaras is that is called prominent, primary. Or Dasa means Sadvichal mood, secondary. For this regard, Lord manifests. Same Lord Krishna, Varinandana Samsundar. He manifested in Vaikuntha in the form of Lord Vishnu and Narayana. Because they are Parikar. Then same Lord Krishna, Varinandana Samsundar. He manifested in Ayodhya in the form of Ramachandra. The Parikar also different. Hanumanji they are also. Dasaras. But the Aishwarya Mula, opulence mode. He is Lord Bhagavan. And I am his insignificant servant. This mood is there. Dasaras Bhakta. There. Then coming Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya also.
In Ayodhya, not Vatsalya. In Ayodhya, they have Vatsalya.
Who?
In Ayodhya,
Ayodhya.
Vatsalya.
That Vatsalya is very little bit. The prominent is the Dasa. Others Ras is there everywhere. All because Lord Dham is complete. Purna Dham is there. Lord is Purna. But the which Ras is prominent there. This is that. Other Ras is there, but very minor. Minor, very small. Understand? This is there. No? But in Vrindavan, Vrindana Samsundar, there is called Madhurya Ras. All rasas they include in. As like big ocean, Mahasamudra. Understand? All the rivers meet with ocean. Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhu. In the same way, in Golok Vrindavan, all rasas is there. Santa, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhu. And all their devotees also servicing there. Even Santaras is also there, Golok Vrindavan. What is that? Srimati Radhika, she serves to Krishna also Santaras. Santaras and Nitra. When Srimati Radhika, she did man, in her man, anger, that time also she serves to Krishna Santaras. Okay, time is over, chalo. Balo Vrindavan Vihari Jai Jai. So tonight you also dance. Okay, so practice or no? Nice. Which one? Govinda Damodar Madhave. Okay.